Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm making cottage cheese pancakes. The recipe is so easy and the result is incredible. If you like cooking, subscribe to my channel and switch on the notifications. Like this, you won't miss new videos. And like this video. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. For this recipe you will need 2 eggs and 250 grams of cottage cheese. Mix eggs and cottage cheese using a fork. Add vanilla sugar or just vanilla and then 3/4 spoons of sugar. And by the way, if you like baking and need some more ideas about cake decorating, follow my pages on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave the links below. Now it's the time to add flour. In total you will need 5-6 spoons. As you can see, the recipe is really easy and the result is amazing. And I promise you, they won't last for more than 2 minutes. When the dough is thick enough, you can start frying them. It is necessary to fry the pancakes on medium heat. Place them on a frying pan using a spoon and cover it with the lid. Make sure they don't burn and in 3-5 minutes flip them. Cover the frying pan with the lid again and wait for 3-5 more minutes. The time of frying depends on the pan and the dough consistency. And now they are ready. You can serve them with sour cream or any dessert sauce you like, and of course a cup of tea. And the best time to eat them is when they're still warm. Enjoy your pancakes and see you in the next video.